Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I would like to teach you how to edit as a beginner. So you are new to content creation, you are new to editing and you know nothing about editing or you have little knowledge about editing. So this video, I'll basically be teaching you how to edit your videos as a beginner. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave your comment in the comment section. Let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to your editing software and you choose your video. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are using CapCut as our editing software. So you click on new project once you enter CapCut and you select the video you want to be working on, the video you want to edit. The next thing you do is to click on edit. You click on edit. The first thing you do, especially if you do not have a microphone, is to enhance voice. So you click on enhance voice and you make sure you turn it on. So as you can see, it is enhancing my voice. So you wait for it to enhance your voice. You wait for it to work on the video. On the entire video, you just give it time for it to work on the entire video. This enhanced voice is mostly if you are not using a microphone. If you are not using a microphone, but if you are using a microphone, I personally do not think you need enhanced voice. But for those who are not using a microphone, I'm going to really advise that you use enhanced voice. So as you can see, it is done. The next thing I want to click on it is this save, where we have this sign. I'm going to click on that. The next step is to go to isolate voice. So I simply click on isolate voice and I click on keep voice. As you can see, it's doing the same thing you did for the enhanced voice. It's applying to the video. So you wait for the isolate voice to apply to the entire video. So you just be patient and you wait for it to apply to the entire video. So that's it. You wait for isolate voice to apply to your entire video. Guys, you need to be patient when you are doing editing. You don't need to rush anything. So you take your time and you wait for the settings or the different effects you are applying to work on your entire video. Because if you are in a rush and you stop it, it might not work on the entire video or it might not work on the video at all. So you want to give time for the effect you are applying to apply to the entire video. As you can see, we are applying vocal isolation. So it has applied to the entire video. And the next thing, you click on the sign again to save what you have done. The next thing I go to is volume. I go to volume, make sure. So I increase the volume to 1000. Once you've increased the volume to 1000, that is simply to make your voice audible so that people can hear you. So once you increase the volume to 1000, the next thing you want to do is to go to reduce noise. You click on reduce noise. Many a times, many people think that this reduce noise has nothing to do, but it plays a lot. It has a lot of power, or should I say it adds a lot of good to the video, especially if you are not using a microphone. So just click on reduce noise. You apply reduce noise and you save. So the next step is to go to audio effect. You go to audio effect, you click on audio effect, and if you would like to use an audio, you click on the audio you want to use. Personally, I like using energetic, or sweetie. This audio effect simply enhances your voice. It simply enhances your voice. This is simply to work on your voice. If you want to work with your original voice, if you want to leave your original voice, there is no need clicking on audio effect. But I personally, I like to use energetic. So I click on energetic. Hello guys, and welcome to the... Did you see that? Did you see that? So that is energetic, and I make sure that I save it. The next thing I want to do is to go back and look for text. And this text is if you want to apply text to the entire video, if you want text to appear when you are talking. Most of the times I do not use text, especially for tutorial videos. I do not use text. So the next thing, I'm going to simply skip text because I don't want text in this video. So what I want to do is to go to aspect ratio. Guys, for this aspect ratio, you can always choose the aspect ratio first before working on the other aspects, before going to enhance voice or isolate voice. So it depends on you. So you click on aspect ratio. Now the aspect ratio will depend on the platform you are going to upload the video to. If you are going to upload the video to YouTube, the aspect ratio for YouTube is 16:9. If the video is for TikTok, the aspect ratio for TikTok is 9:16. So I'm going to choose 16:9 because it is a YouTube video. But if you are going to upload the video to Facebook or to Instagram, the aspect ratio will be 1:1. So your aspect ratio simply depends on the platform you are going to be uploading your video. So since it's a YouTube video, I'm going to click on 16:9. And guys, one thing I want to say is that always remember to save any effect you apply. Okay, always remember to save any effect you apply. So the next thing I want to do is to go to adjust. I click on adjust. This adjust, I simply want to enhance my video. I simply want to beautify my video. That is what adjust is all about. So I click on brightness if I would like to make the video brighter. So I click on brightness and I simply apply. I personally do not like my video to be too bright. So my brightness is always between 15 to 20. Okay, my brightness is always between 15 to 20. So that's 15. I go to contrast. My contrast is always between let's say 8 to 10. Like it's always half the brightness. So I go to contrast and I'm just going to leave it at 8. The next thing is saturation. Saturation, I always do 5 or 6 for saturation. My brilliance is always the same, either 5 or 6 or 4. Yeah. And sharpen. For sharpen, I like to apply all of it. So I sharpen all of it. And the next thing, I click on clarity. And I also like to apply all of it. So now, guys, there is also HSL feature. This HSL feature is for specific colors in the video. If you would like to enhance specific colors in the video, normally I do not use HSL. Once I've done the brightness, the brilliance, and every other thing, I feel that is good enough. So I don't always go to the HSL feature. So I'm just going to click on save so that I apply to everything. So guys, that's it for adjust. Then I also want to say, if you would like to use animation, you can also use that. Personally, I always like to use animation at the beginning of my video. I like to use animation at the beginning of my video. So I simply go to edit and I click on animation. And here I have the different options. So I'm just going to choose the animation that I feel that I want to use for this video. So I use depending on my mood. So I'm going to choose this slide left. So I'm going to click on save. So guys, that's it. So let's watch and see.
Hello guys and welcome to the channel.
Have you seen that? So that's it. That's it for them. Those are the main features you want to apply. The next thing you want to do is to listen to your video and remove all the parts that you do not want to be a part of the video. So what I do is I'm just going to reduce the volume of the video because I personally feel that right now it's too loud. So I'm reducing the volume. So the next thing I want to do is to listen to my entire video and to remove all the unnecessary parts, all the parts that I do not want to be part of the video. So I listen to the video.
Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'd like to teach you how to edit as a beginner. So you are new to content creation, you are new to editing, and you know nothing about editing or you have little knowledge about editing. So this video, I'll basically be teaching you how to edit your videos as a beginner. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment in the comment section. Let's get right into it.
So you see that I finished talking, but there is a part I want to remove, let's say at the end. What I simply do is I click on split. I click on split and you see that I've splitted the video into two. So I simply go to the part where I want to remove. I click on it and I click on delete. So guys, you can delete anywhere in the video. All you have to do is to split the section of the video you want to delete and you delete it. So it's not difficult, and there are also certain effects if you like to apply. For example, if you like to apply stickers, you just need to click on sticker and you select the sticker you want to apply. Okay, you select the sticker you like to apply. So that's just it. Please guys, like the video, leave your comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel. I think as a beginner, these are the basics you need. With all of this, you should be able to produce quality videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.